Yo, YouTube fam, what is up? Today I have a quick tutorial on the competitor to Nightbot, which is Streamlabs, and they've got the ability to also moderate live streams and chat with their product called Cloudbot. They had the ability to do this using a standalone application some time ago. I'm not sure when Cloudbot came on, but it is something that we do use. And especially when Nightbot seems to go down, which happens pretty often, Streamlabs' Cloudbot does come in handy to do a lot of the functionality that we depend on Nightbot for. So I wanted to go ahead and create a quick little tutorial on how to use Cloudbot. And it's pretty straightforward, very similar to the way Nightbot is configured. You'll go ahead and go to Streamlabs and authenticate using your YouTube account, and just to call out no concerns whatsoever of Streamlabs having the ability to control your YouTube. They don't delete any of your accounts or YouTube videos. They merely just need access to log into it and perform the features and functions that you can allow it to control. So for us, we'll go ahead and jump into the Cloudbot section on the left nav. Once you click on that, you can toggle and enable Cloudbot by this little switch over here. You'll go ahead and click on this link, which will pop open your community settings for YouTube. You'll want to go ahead and copy this particular URL, which is Streamlabs' account on YouTube. So you can specify this user as a moderator for your live streams so that it can jump in and using the configuration that you've got specified here, it monitors and moderates your live streams for you. So a lot of similarities between Nightbot and Cloudbot, but go ahead and jump into the mod tools section. These are disabled. I don't know if enabling these enable this, but it's got the standard caps protection, word protection, just to make sure that nobody's using profanity or spamming, etc. on your chat. You can go ahead and control the severity of that and how sensitive it is to responding to those and timing those users out. But a quick little command here, you can click on commands. There's a whole bunch of variables that you can use or tags. Depending on your needs, you can click on variables to find that. But we're just going to go ahead and create a quick little custom command here. And we've done something similar to like this in Nightbot. So go ahead and click add command. What is the command and how is it called? So in our case, we'll just go ahead and use USA. And I've got the command in Notepad here. Oops. USA. And you can paste your command here. So the variable or token username just responds to the person who typed in this command. So in our case, if we were logged in as Battle TV and typed in, exclamation point USA, it'll respond by saying Battle TV is from United States of America with a population of yada, yada, yada. This is static text, so it's not dynamic in nature, but it will go ahead and just respond with the personalization here. It'll reply in chat, and you can specify the permissions. Similar to Nightbot, you can specify just the streamer, moderator, if you're doing some testing. But that's basically it. Go ahead and click confirm. And now, so long as you have a live stream active, same way that Nightbot works, Streamlabs will go ahead and jump in and moderate the stream for you in live chat. So our preference between the two, we like Nightbot because it's something that we're really, been using for a long time. But we do find that Nightbot does go down pretty regularly. And in that case, we'll jump into Streamlabs and enable it. The only key difference between Nightbot and Streamlabs is Nightbot allows you to moderate multiple streams, whereas Streamlabs is one at a time, and it's generally the newest, like the most recent live stream. So just one call out there, and That's about it. Hope this helps somebody out there who's interested in using bots to manage their live streams instead of human intervention. I mean, it's always nice to be jumping into the live streams and live chat, and we try to do that as often, but everybody's busy, and there's a lot of nutcases out there that do a lot of different things on chat, and we need a way to moderate that. So Nightbot and Streamlabs both have a tool for us to moderate 24/7, and you can use this too. Well, I hope this helps somebody out there, and until the next one, have a good one. Bye.